Welcome to NJIT Math Podcast today. My name is Tao Ling and I will try to explain to you how to do additions and subtractions of rational expressions. Okay? Let's look at an example. X minus 6, x plus 1 squared plus x plus 8. Addition and subtractions of rational expressions are very similar to addition and subtractions of fractions. Um, so if you see we want to add two fractions, if they both have the same denominator, it's the simplest case we can see. Okay, we can encounter. So if two expressions have the same denominator, when you add or subtract them, all you have to do is add or subtract the numerators. Okay. So in this case, in our example, the denominators are the same. They are both x plus 1 squared and x plus 1 squared. Okay. So if they have both the same denominator, when you add or subtract two fractions of polynomials, rational expressions, you just have to add or subtract the numerators. So in this case, we just write one big denominator and then we add the numerator. Oh, I switched the 8 and x. It doesn't matter, okay? In this case, this would equal to x plus x gives me 2x, and negative 6 plus 8 gives me a 2. Okay. Usually when you do a problem like this, and the answer you always want to try to factor it into the simplest term possible. So we see that 2x plus 2 can still be factored into 2 times x plus 1, and then you have x plus 1 squared, and x plus 1 and x plus 1 can be cancelled out, and since there's x plus 1 squared, you will still have a remaining x plus 1 left. So that means this would equal to 2 over x plus 1. Okay, and this is the final answer. Let's look at another example. This is still the case of same same denominator. So it's still the same. If you have the same denominator, let's just write a big denominator here, and then add or subtract the numerator. Okay, so it's equal to 3x minus 2 subtract minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so when you have a minus, when you have a subtraction of two rational expressions, the only thing you have to pay attention, well, you have to pay attention to the sign changes, because when you have negatives, 2x and this 2x plus 1 would, when you take out the parentheses, it will become 2x minus 1. So this will become 3x minus 2 minus 2x minus 1. Okay, x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now I'm going to write it here. Okay, now 3x minus 2x gives you x, and negative 2 minus 1 will give you negative 3. Okay, now the denominator is x squared minus 5x plus 6. Let's factor that out into the simplest term. So that should equal to x minus 2 and x minus 3. And guess what? You can cancel out x minus 3 and x minus 3. So the final answer will be 1 over x minus 2. Okay? So this section is about acting and subtracting rational expressions with the same denominator. If you have the same denominator, all you have to do is add or subtract the numerators. So the next section we will talk about some more complex examples where the denominators are not necessarily the same. Okay, so thank you for listening and good luck on your study.